On Monday, August 21st, the country will experience its first coast-to-coast total solar eclipse in 99 years.
That's right. It all will begin in Oregon and travel through 14 states before ending in South Carolina. But we won't see a total eclipse here. No, in fact, there's a website where you can actually type in your zip code, and the animation from the United States Naval Observatory shows you just how much you will see. Now, here in Indianapolis, it will peak at 2:25 p.m. That's when the moon obscures 91.5% of the sun.
Now, if you want to go see a total eclipse, you're going to actually have to drive 173 miles to southwest Kentucky. There's also a map on this tool that shows how the eclipse will travel across the nation and the times it's going to hit each area, even the duration of the eclipse. It's very cool.
So cool.
We've got a link for you tonight on WTHR.com.
I keep hearing that song, Total Eclipse of My Heart, in my head.
Yeah,
you like that?
That's good stuff.
That is
Maybe we should play the song as I'm watching on the computer.
I think we should. I like that one.
I don't know if I'm liking the heat, though. It was a little muggy and ugly.
A little sticky. Muggy and ugly. You had to really get out early to enjoy the crispness because it didn't last long. But if you weren't out early, we've got a nice time lapse over Morse Reservoir. Lots of sunshine early this morning. However, the clouds have been on the increase along with the heat and the humidity this afternoon. And you can see as we play this through time, the increase in that cloud cover, especially this afternoon. Now, the clouds at this point not associated with any rain or storms for central Indiana, but they are associated with a weather pattern change that will bring us some rain and storms. Those chances for rain and storms in the forecast starting after midnight. So it will be dry this evening if you've got any outdoor plans. It's just cloudy and 84. The winds are light. Dew point temperature up significantly from 24 hours ago. If you were with us last evening, we had dew points in that comfortable range in the upper 50s. Now uncomfortable. That's the reason it's a little more sticky out there today. Latest view of this weather system shows the clouds increasing. We've got storms near Milwaukee. We've got storms in the eastern sections of Iowa, southeastern parts of Illinois, moving toward Evansville. And this weather system will impact central Indiana over the next 24 to 36 hours. That risk for severe weather just to our west tonight. We have the timeline for when the storms get here. You can see the storms will continue to move from west to east across parts of Illinois this evening. We stop Future Track 13 at 1 a.m. and we'll bring it to local analysis to show you this first wave of storms arriving just before sunrise. What this means for the Thursday morning commute, there will be some wet roads, and for some it's the first day of school. You may have to dodge the raindrops as you take those school pictures early tomorrow morning before the kids get on the bus. This is Future Track 13 midday. We're still going to be tracking some rain and storms through the afternoon and even the evening hours. That was 7 p.m. This is 11 p.m. That risk for severe weather down a little bit. We're at a 1 on our scale of 1 to 5 from Indianapolis south. Still thinking the biggest threats will be heavy rain, perhaps some gusty winds, and that rain may actually lead to some flash flooding. So we'll keep you posted as those storms develop. And the storms will have an impact on temperatures too. Most locations won't make it out of the upper 70s and low 80s as we dodge rain and storms most of the day. This weather system still with us early Friday. That's Friday 7 a.m. And then you can see the back edge of this weather system will start to clear the state. As that happens, we will clear too, just in time for the weekend. Stormy tomorrow. You'll need the umbrella. May take you a little longer due to the wet roads to get where you're going tomorrow. 81 degrees. A few showers left behind. We think mainly early half of the day Friday. Then by late Friday, you'll notice the weather pattern change. All the heat, all the humidity gone for the weekend. Lots of sunshine and near 80 both Saturday and Sunday.
That's like an ideal weekend.
That's great. Yeah, we have earned it. Can't wait for it.